First, connect the serial port. Plug the USB to 485 serial port into your computer. Connect the sensor connector to the cable connector. Connect the blue wire of the cable to the blue wire of the serial port. Connect the white wire of the cable to the white wire of the serial port. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the power supply. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the power supply. Power up the power supply. Power up the magnetic stirrer. First, perform a temperature low point calibration. Remove the protective sleeve from the sensor. Take a glass of pure water of about 10 degrees. Place the sensor and the thermometer at the same time. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After the temperature of the thermometer has stabilized, start the low point calibration. Open the software. Select the corresponding port. Leave all other options unchanged. Open. Select suspension. Click on Get Address. Read the data. Tap Register Mode. Enter 0 for Read Register Address. Enter 4 for Quantity. Read Register. Write Register Address. Enter 1010. Numeric write value equals the actual temperature value multiplied by 10. Tap Write Register. Tap Read Register again. The temperature low point calibration is complete. The temperature high point calibration takes a glass of water. The temperature is at least 5 degrees warmer than the water for the low point calibration. Place the thermometer in at the same time as the sensor. Allow to stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the thermometer to stabilize. Begin the temperature high point calibration. Place the sensor at least 2 centimeters from the bottom of the beaker. Enter 1012 for the write register address and write a value equal to the actual temperature multiplied by 10. Tap Write Register, then tap Read Register. After the temperature high point calibration is complete, remove the thermometer and sensor from the beaker. Wipe the water from the front of the sensor with a dust-free cloth. The temperature high point calibration is complete. A multimeter is required for current calibration. Insert the black pen of the multimeter into the COM terminal. Plug the red pen into the milliamp end. Find 2 silicone wires. Wrap them around the black and red pens of this multimeter. Then connect the other end of the black wire to the black wire of the power supply. The other end of the red wire is connected to the yellow wire of the cable. Turn the multimeter to 20 milliamps. End of wiring. Zero calibration. Take a bottle of pure water. Put the water in the black bottle.
Put the sensor in.
Shake it to make sure there are no air bubbles at the bottom. The sensor is about 10 centimeters from the flat bottom. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. After the sensor reading has stabilized, Begin zero calibration. Enter 1000 for the write register address and 0 for the value. Write register. Tap read register again. Enter 2004 for the read register address and 3 for the value. Tap write register. Tap read register again. Current calibration is complete. Zero calibration is complete. Remove the sensor from pure water. Wipe the front of the sensor with a dust-free cloth. Zero calibration is complete. Slope calibration is performed using a 2000 milligrams per liter suspension standard. A magnetic stirrer is required. Place the rotor in the bottle containing the standard solution. Place the standard solution on top of the magnetic stirrer. Turn on the knob to adjust. Adjust the rotation speed until there is no visible vortex in the standard solution.
Place the sensor in.
Shake it to make sure there are no air bubbles at the front end. The front end of the sensor is about 10 centimeters from the flat bottom. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. After the sensor reading has stabilized, begin the slope calibration. Enter 1004 for the write register address and write the value as the actual value of the standard solution multiplied by 10. Tap write register. Tap read register again. Enter 2005 for the write register address, 1010 for the value. Tap write register and then tap read register. When the slope calibration is complete, remove the sensor from the standard solution. Place the sensor in purified water to clean it. When cleaning is complete, remove the sensor. Wipe the front end clean of water with a dust-free cloth. Put on the electrode protection sleeve. The slope calibration is finished.